gotta relax. Let's see. What should be the Ojibwe word of today? Check, check. Nothing compares. Nothing compares to you. Alright, I went to the doctor and guess what he told me? Guess what he told me? He said, girl, you better try to have fun no matter what you do. Well, he's a fool, 'cause nothing compares. Nothing compares to you. Hey, everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha, and this over here, this little sweetie, get out of here, will ya? His name is Not a BOOZHOO. Now please welcome Not a BOOZHOO. Hey, BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO. Hey. Oh, hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. I thought we might as well talk about the weather. It's really cold, and as of filming this, it's like 35 below. Oh, is that right? I already went out and warmed up the car, but you know that. And so we're gonna say NIISKAADAD, nasty weather. NIISKAADAD, it's nasty weather. It's really cold, and them roads there, Ojasha, they're slippery, so be careful if you gotta travel. Slow down, and yeah. So there's your Ojibwe words for today. NIISKAADAD is nasty weather, and Ojasha, I don't know. Ojasha is slippery. I don't know. This episode's not that good. I'm not feeling very funny. I don't know. Should we just see what this looks like? Yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah. I don't got any jokes or nothing. That's your Ojibwe word of today. Well, there you have it, folks. And just want to say thanks for watching BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha, and this over here is Not a BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Higa waba min, minawa. Oh.